In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkbox in Airtable. Basic setup 2026. We'll walk through adding a simple yes or no checkbox field to any table so you can track status, approvals, or anything that needs a quick toggle. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. This is where you'll access your workspaces and all of your bases. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken right to your account. If you're not signed in yet, log in with your usual credentials, then continue. That's it, quick and simple. After you log in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This page shows your workspaces, bases, and anything you've recently opened, so it's the best place to jump back into your work. On the dashboard, look for the section with your recent bases. You can open an existing base from here, which is perfect if you want to add a checkbox to an active table. Click any recent base to open it. If you prefer to start fresh, you can create a new base instead and follow along in a blank table. Either way, once your base is open, you'll see the grid view. Grid view is Airtable's default spreadsheet-like view, where each column is a field and each row is a record. We're going to add our new checkbox as a field. Move to the far right edge of the table. You'll see a plus icon that lets you add a new field. Click that plus to create a column. A field type menu appears. In the search box, type checkbox or scroll until you see the checkbox option. Select checkbox to make this a true on or off field rather than text. Now give your field a clear name like done, approved, or paid, whatever matches your workflow. Below the name, adjust the settings for this checkbox field. Depending on your plan, you may be able to choose the check icon style or color, and whether the default is unchecked. Keep defaults if you're unsure. You can always tweak them later. When everything looks good, click Create Field. Your checkbox column is now in the grid. Click any cell in that column to toggle the check on and off. Use it to mark tasks complete, flag items for review, or track simple statuses. Tip: if you want the checkbox to appear earlier in the table, you can drag the column header left or right to reposition it. That's all you need to add a checkbox in Airtable. Simple, fast, and perfect for quick tracking.